Hello, welcome back. Okay, today we are going to do a full coverage makeup. The main thing that I want to show you today is how I match my face to my neck, especially when I'm wearing my hair up. Normally, I don't take my makeup down to my neck because I have a very tiny neck. You don't notice my neck at all because my hair is always down, so it covers it up, and my face and my chest area are in pretty close shade. So I try to match with that, play around with that shade. Only time when I apply makeup on my neck is when I put my hair up because then you can evidently see the shade difference. Today I'm going to show you exactly what I do and I want everything to look more even. First step, color correcting. Using this palette from PAC, I'm going directly in with my brush. Tap it on my hand. My neck is pretty pigmented. There can be so many reasons for the pigmentation: sun exposure, friction, sugar intake, genetics. Just because you're covering a large area does not mean you need a lot of product. Create a thin layer of any product, either it may be foundation, concealer, color corrector. Create a thin layer. Blending is the key. Trying to figure out what it is, but until now, this little makeup hack and a good skincare routine. Same thing, I'm gonna do it on my face. Now comes the tricky part, finding a foundation shade that matches your neck and your face. Most of the time, shades that look perfect on your face does not match your neck. So what I do is I look for a shade that is in between, not too light, not too dark. Somewhere that can actually bring the two areas together. I think I found a foundation that's in between both the shades of my neck and my face. By the end of the video, we're gonna find out this worked or not. I'm gonna take some on that much is enough, I think. Let's see. It's a little too orange, but we're gonna fix it with a lighter concealer later. Blend my foundation in my face. Not bad, huh? Pretty close. Going in with my concealer. This is two shades lighter than my skin tone. Two shades lighter concealer because it's gonna give that brightening effect. It's full coverage concealer, so I'm going in a little only everywhere. Always try to build up the product because you can always add the product, but taking it off, it's a little messy. Now I'm going in with the bronzer. Nothing too crazy. It's gonna add the warmth to the face because now we look a little ghostly because everything is too even. We're gonna bring the life to the face. This is where I apply my bronzer. Blend everything in. I'm gonna quickly set everything with my Max Fix Plus. Apparently, I'm obsessed. Yeah. If you regularly follow my shop, probably know I got this after attending the MAC workshop. So, people who don't know what I'm talking about, I recently attended a MAC workshop with makeup artist Vanshika, and I had the best time. I got to meet so many people, and a friend invited me to the event. Vanshika actually convinced me to get the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. So, yeah. She kept talking about it. It felt like I needed it. So people who attended the workshop, they all got a coupon. So with that coupon, I got this mini. First, I wanted to try and see whether I'm gonna like it or not. If you wonder, do I like it? I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get a bigger bottle very soon, or maybe a mini again. I don't know what it is, but I love minis. There is a product with a mini version. I incline towards buying it rather than the bigger bottle. Tiny, it's cute, easy to carry anywhere. Makeup products last for a long time. So getting a mini version is much more better than the full version. Look how my cream products are blended in. That's why you need this. Now it's time for the powders and setting everything in to lock everything that we put on. First, I'm gonna set my neck with this Foundation Plus Compact Powder. This is from Renew Roy in shade Peace. Set my neck. Now to set my face, I'm gonna use this loose powder from Inside. We need to be careful with this thing. Now I'm gonna set the bronzer with the bronzer powder. This is one of my favorite complexion powder palette from K Beauty. Gonna go finish up my eyes and come back. With the eyes, now I'm gonna finish up my lip quickly. Lip butter from Falsy Cosmetics. Little pop of color. One final time Max Fix Plus. Now to lock everything in and make it transfer proof, I'm using this L'Oreal setting spray mist. So we need to be very careful. I know it's going to smell so bad. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Now don't move. Let us set it in. And this is the final look. I think we did a pretty good job. Look. Before and after. It matches pretty close. It's still a little bit off, but it's not looking crazy. I did a good job. Before I go, I need to address the elephant in the room. 1K subscribers. Oh, thank you to every single person who watches my video, comes back and likes them, shares them, and especially to the people who decided that my content is worth subscribing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. I'll see you in the next video.